Hey guys, it is time for the D&M Toy Club. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to D&M Toy Club. We've got a brand new toy tool set. We just got it in 2 days ago. So we are going to open this up and talk about this amazing set. And this one is actually, to tell you guys the truth, the coolest set that we've got so far. I'm going to show you exactly why. So let's get this box cracked open. This has got to be one of the coolest. So let's move our room. Alright guys, here we go. This is gonna be the coolest. So here is the drill. This is one of the biggest drills. It's so realistic, it looks like a real one, not even a toy. And it's really super heavy. So we have our drill. We've got to put our battery pack on. Here's the battery pack, just like a real one. This one's called Power. And this drill, I have to show you. I'm gonna show you exactly why I think this is gonna be one of the coolest sets. So that's the battery pack. This is what makes all of these work. When you get a real one, you gotta put the battery pack on. So let's try to figure out what's on here. I already put batteries in this one. So it's already got the energy that it needs. So I'm going to make it happen. I'm going to put this on here. Make sure.